Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this video is about geography important question of India and the other parts of the world. So let's start and do subscribe for more questions. Question number 1. The total rainforest in the Amazon basin is known as. So answer C is the correct. Selvas. Which of the following pair is correct? Maharashtra, Pradeep, Tamil Nadu, Mangalore, Gujarat, Kandala, Karnataka, Tuticorin. So right answer is option C, Gujarat, Kandla. The Sayadri is another name of. The right answer is option A, Western Ghat. The largest producer of sugar in India is. So basically, the right answer is option D, Uttar Pradesh. Black soil is favorable for cultivation of. So black soil is good for cotton, and for rice it is alluvial soil. Which of the following is known as the morning star? The right answer is option D, that is Venus. Which state has the largest reserve of lignite coal? And the answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. Gold is mined in. So answer is Karnataka. The scarcity of crop failure of which of the following can cause a serious edible oil crisis in India? That is option B, groundnut. The river Godavari is often referred to as Vrid Ganga because option B is the correct answer because of its large size and extent among the Peninsulan river. Which country has the largest coastline in the world? So that is Canada, and in India it is Gujarat. Which of the following is the most important raw material of generation of power in India? So that is coal. Option A is the correct answer. Which of the following is a peninsulan river of India? So right answer is option C, Krishna. Krishna, Mahanadi, Kaveri are peninsulan river. The number of major ports in India is. The answer is 13. Basically there are 12 ports. One is private. So option C is the correct answer. The most fertile region of India is. So that is Indo-Gangetic Plain. Option C. Which of the following types of soil are mostly conform to river basin and coastal plains of India? So that is alluvial soil, and it is good for rice. So option A is the correct answer. The most ideal region for the cultivation of cotton in the world is. So that is Deccan Plateau. Option C. Which of the following crop is regarded as the plantation crop? So option A is the correct answer, coconut. The proportion of forest to the total national geographical area of India is National Forest Policy. So right answer is option B, 33.3%. Which of the following area of region is most prone to earthquake? So that is Ganga Brahmaputra Valley, that is northeastern region. So option A is the correct answer. The percentage of India's total population employed in agriculture is nearly. So that is 70%. Option D is the correct answer. The watershed between India and Myanmar is formed by. Option A is the correct answer, the Naga Hills. Which of the following crops need maximum water per hectare? Important. So right answer is sugarcane. Option C. Which of the following group of river have their source of origin in Tibet? And the answer is option C, Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. Their origin in Tibet. The oldest mountain in India are. So that is Aravalli. Option A. Which of the following drainage system fall into Bay of Bengal? So the river fall into Bay of Bengal are Ganga, Brahmaputra and Godavari. Option A is the correct answer. The Shimla Convention is an agreement that sets so that between boundary between India and Tibet. Option C. Which atomic power station India is built completely indigenously? So important question. That is option A. Kalapakkam. Which of the following group of state has the largest deposition of iron ore? That is Bihar and Orissa. Option B. Which of the group of rivers originate from the Himachal mountains? The right answer is Veez, Ravi and Chenab. Option A. Veez, Ravi and Chenab originate from Himachal mountains. The oldest rock in India are reported from Dharwan region in Karnataka. Option A. The number of major languages recognized in the Indian Union as official language are. So option B is the correct answer, and it is regarded to 8th schedule of India, which deals with the languages. Okay. Which of the following food grain crops occupies the largest part of the cropped area in India? So that is rice. Option C. The zonal soil type of Peninsulan India belongs to. Option A. Red soil. Three important rivers of the Indian subcontinent have their sources near the Mansarovar Lake in the Great Himalayas. These rivers are actually option C, Brahmaputra, Indus and Sutlej. The only private sector refinery set up by the Reliance Petroleum Limited is located at, so option B is the correct answer, Jamnagar. The year dash is called a great divide in the demographic history of India. So option B is the correct answer because after 1921 there struggle growth in the population. So because of that it is called great divide in the demographic history of India because of the population growth in the year 1921. Medumalai Sanctuary is located in Tamil Nadu. Option B. Indira Gandhi Zoological Park is located in, so that is it located in Vishakhapatnam. Option C. The largest port of India is, so India is basically 13 ports, one is private, so if you consider it is 12 then one private is a 13 and the biggest one is Mumbai port. Vedantangal Bird Sanctuary is located in, so that is Tamil Nadu. The predominant gases that constitute the sun area, so it is hydrogen and helium. Option A. The vernal equinox occurs on March 21. Option B. The line at which a day is lost or gained is called international dateline. Option D. The portion of incident radiation energy without hitting that surface reflection back from a surface of a body is called albedo. Option C is the correct answer. The study of moon is called, option B, that is selenology. Selenology. The Chambal Valley project is a joint venture of, that is Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The diesel locomotive works engaged in producing diesel loco is located in, so option A is the correct answer, Varanasi. So last question. Golden Quadrilateral comprising national highway connects, so Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Delhi. Okay, Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Chennai and Delhi. So option B is the correct answer. So there are 100 more question of Indian geography and are there. So it will be coming up in the next part. So and there are like in the description link I have attached the a video of drainage system of India. That is very important. Two question will be coming to your any exam. So drainage system of Indian MCQ are there in the description section. You can go through and click on the video. Okay. All the best.